wiggly.
ありがとうございます。はい。お使いください。
So much food. This is one of the fanciest hotels we'll stay in, and the only buffet breakfast that we're gonna have.
Nori, more nori and some jelly.
This is your 5th time going to the buffet.
Now I'm going to do my 7th time.
Beautiful, isn't it, Kosuke? Wow. Alright, we've got to go. The shuttle bus should be here. Today we're heading to Himeji. This is the famous Himeji Castle. When you're traveling around the country in Japan, at different stations you'll find these coin lockers. It's really convenient if you carry luggages. You can rent one of these, big ones, medium ones, small ones. Even the small ones are pretty good. It's quite deep. She helped us with the way. Very nice people, Himeji.
There are lots of doors, so then the enemy, when it attacks the castle, doesn't come in. We have to go through so many gates. You can see outside, and they did this so then they can fire the arrows, and they can also see if the enemies are coming. Lots of different kinds of shapes, sizes. What do you think that fits in here? Gatling gun. No, because they weren't invented yet in this period. Finally, we are here at the main part of Himeji Castle. So far, it's wooden gates, but now this is the last one, so it's steel or iron.
Imagine those are enemies coming in. They have to bend over, carrying bags. They're charging. You can't charge through, right? To go up the castle, you have to run up and make a sharp right turn to go up. Usually when there's a huge army rushing in, they'll rush in and they want to go straight, right? Because it's such a big team, so they will likely go straight rather than turn right. But when you go straight, it will lead you to the exit.
What?
Yes, you won't be able to get up the castle. We're going down again. That's how brilliant this castle has been designed. Maybe then it's another trick that says, no, like, machigata kamo, modoru. Right? Like, if you should be going upwards. See? Confusion. To make the enemy confused. And then they walk back. Another very low gate. Now the gate keeps getting taller. Wow.
This is the main entrance to enter Himeji Castle. Let's go, explorers. Kulai. Wow.
Wow. But you can close it. See?
There's a hole here, and then they open it and drop the stones in, so then the enemy can't climb up.
To attack the enemy.
Yeah. I read that and it said this main keep never got attacked.
Wow. So it is true that it's one of the easiest to defend then.
Yeah, come on, warriors. What? Another steps.
I think this is the 4th floor. Yeah, it's getting smaller and smaller.
We can see all the rooms.
Enemies attacking! Fire the hole! Boom, boom, boom!
閉めれるんだ、ここも。かっこいいね。
There's bad guys up there. What's it says? He sees it.
South view from the castle. Worry hiding places. Maybe you could hide in here. This one here is open. You can hide a few people in there. So during World War II, they put a black camouflage cover over the castle to protect it from air raids. So that when the plane flies over, they couldn't see anything there. If they didn't cover it, maybe we wouldn't be able to see Himeji today.
Yeah. Whoever got attacked. This main castle taken over. Well, it's been attacked, but it's never been taken. Oh, cool. I can't believe this is a world-known famous castle.
It's a World Heritage as well.
Yeah. And it's never been taken over. And it's still standing.
These are shachis.
To protect against fire.
And you can see that they are different throughout the different periods. Slightly different designs.
I like history.
You're grown up now.
I like history because it's nice learning about history. Because all those cool stuff that happened in history. How they survived. How, why, and all this stuff.
Before coming here, do you think it would be boring?
Yes. Just looking at a castle.
Yeah.
But then when I went inside, I found out it was incredible.
Even the toilet has got so much character. Time for some snacks outside the toilet. So who wants to come again? Me
If we
too.
have time, I wanted to do the tour guide thing. So that he teaches us lots of small tricks.
Yeah, lots of hidden facts about Himeji Castle. We had to rush to Kurashiki, so we didn't have time to book one of these tour guides. But we learned a lot through observation, like how the castle was built, why it was built that way. Next stop is Kurashiki, another very historical place. Okay, we're going back.